Here I have Infinix Hot 4D Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So firstly you should go to settings, then you go to storage section, switch to portable, tap on 3 dots next to SD card. Okay, select format, then erase and format, and after a few seconds SD card will be fully formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.